Welcome to my cooking channel. Let's start cooking. Let's use curry powder for today's recipe. This air-free curry cauliflower is so appetizing. We love it so much. Cauliflower. Curry leaves. Wash curry leaves. Push forward to remove curry leaves from stem. This is fun. Does it look like flour? Continue plugging, aka play. Cauliflower, remove core and use hand to break. You may use knife to cut the bigger pieces. Pour into deeper bowl that easier to stir. Mix well with 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons curry powder, curry leaves, and drizzle some cooking oil. Pour cauliflower into baking pan, ready to air fry. Put into preheated air fryer. Fry at 180 degree 10 minutes, then flip and air fry again at 100 degree 5 minutes. Cauliflower is cooked. The air-fried cauliflower is not dry, and when eaten, it has the sweetness of the cauliflower itself and is mixed with the aroma of curry powder. This recipe is so easy even to cook during busy schedule. Curry leaves is optional. Tell me if you think this is delicious by leaving me message at below video. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Knowledge sharing. If there is light brown spots on cauliflower, there are just oxidization. And while it doesn't look pretty, it isn't harmful. If you find one with a little brown on it, you can cut that off and it is still safe to eat. However, if the spots are dark brown or black, have a bad smell, are mushy, or look to be mold growth, you need to throw the cauliflower away. It should not be consumed. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.